What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm here to explain to you what we've got so far and catch you up to speed on everything we know as of right now. For those who don't know, you should have gotten an email in your email if you signed up for this citizen science division and you gave them your email for them. They'll send you, from the old gods, will send you an email letting you know how to proceed with the next step, which will give you a list of instructions and a code disk to enter a code in. If you need me to do your code for you, I can. I know how. Just go into the comments below, give me your code and your string, your the 7-digit code, number code, and then the / letter code, and the L1 R whatever R3 L3 whatever code thing, and I will do it for you, and then I will give you the code back in the comments that you can enter on the site if you haven't done it already, because we may need to complete this code thing before we get to the next step. So please do that if you haven't. Also, we got the PWT site is now updated. It has a map on it now, whatever, and 4 locks. We don't know what they're for yet, but this is, it says at the top, which you can't see up there, it says calibration process. So, and if I hold up, if I to make sure loop 16 is awake, it should be awake. Unless I reset. Okay, it's listening. Let me make sure awake loop 16. Oops, I didn't type it right. Hold up. Wake space loop 16. There we go. Space didn't want to work. Okay, so the wake up is completed. All right, we're good. So, if we say when we typed in our command prompt earlier, it said calibration not complete, and it would give us a list of instructions, which I think are coming next. But for the page, the project WT site. But so that's basically what we know so far. All we know is we haven't got anything new, and all I know is in the email it said that they were waiting for people, they were testing people to see how fast they can complete this step. Even though we already have the full image, we still haven't completed the boot sequence site. We haven't got the full image unlocked, and I think we might need to do so in order to get the next step. It's possible. It's not for sure, but it's a possible. So if you haven't, please go ahead and do that in your email. If you need help, like I said, in the email should be a 7-digit number / letter number, a 7-digit letter and number combination, and underneath that, something that looks like L1, L2, R3, whatever. Give me that in its entirety, and I will give you your code for you, so that way you can go on your computer and type it in, unlocking your segment of the piece. Make sure you don't do anything until, because it will remember. So if you've already logged yours in, it's too late. You fucked up. Now, just if you know how to do a private browser or something, or clear your memory cache in your browser, that might help. That might fix it. But if you don't know, then you're basically screwed, and you're basically done screwed up. But yes, that's just a little bit something about your ability to follow directions. But yeah, it's okay. I will give you guys your code if you need the codes. So, for now, the status of this is still. I will tell you when I'm ready, which is why I'm thinking we need to finish this thing for it to be ready. I don't know. It's possible because I haven't heard anything since then. There's another piece of information that I found when you type in, not that. Who is Trav? If you type in who's Traveler, you get this. I didn't know this beforehand, but I found out this. I tried things like Hyperion, who is Hyperion, Start Hyperion, Convergence. I've tried all sorts of different manners of words and stuff. Haven't got anything yet. Haven't found anything yet. Or anything like that. So that's what we've gotten so far. Pretty much, I think what we're waiting on is for the next phase to start, or part of the phase to start, or for us to complete that image, which we haven't. It's almost full. I think there's like at least 30 spaces left, or less of spaces left. So there's 30 people out there who haven't done it yet. If it is possible, if you actually get, I don't know if it's possible, but if those who've already done it can create a new email address and get that verified, you might get another thing, so you can do it for them. You can, or find another computer to do it on. Then that will also fix your problem, because it's your computer. It's literally captured in your computer. So if you find another computer, you can also do this again and then do it right. So please go ahead and do your part, and let's finish this thing. That's pretty much all we know right now. Like I said, Who is Gex still is not up. Who is Gex is there's still nothing on the Gex or anything like that, so we don't know what that's all about yet, or why Gex is not in there. But basically all we know for now. And sorry about the audio quality in my last video. I forgot that you can turn off the sound, and I was tired. It was really late at night, so yes, that's pretty much what we got so far on this. And so I'll keep you guys up to date on what's new and what you can do. And like I said, if you need your help doing your codes, figuring out your codes, I can do it for you. I have a program that I can run to help do it. So just give me the two key pieces of information, and I will help you get your code and stuff like that. So that's basically catching up to speed on what we know so far and what's been going on, and how basically now you're caught up to where we're at. For those who still don't know, there's a video on I already made a video on it on how to get to this point to wake up loop 16, and if you want to, you can actually restart the process by just typing restart in the command prompt, and it will reset your save back to where it was, and then you have to do the process all over again if you messed up or wanted to clean up the nonsense like Who is Gex stuff out of there. You can do that, or you can just refresh. And so those who don't know, if you refresh the page, it does not, you don't have to re-enter anything. As I said, it just it only resets when you actually type in restart in the command prompt. It'll only reset it there. So yes, that's pretty much where we're at. And I'll keep you guys posted and up to date on any new developments as they occur as fast as I can. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.